Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain why you should not throw away potato peels. Why you should not throw away potato peels. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, potato. What are potato? Potato are root vegetables which are grown in many places in the world, and many people like to eat potatoes. Potato, you can boil them or you can fry them. So when you fry them, many people like to eat chips, which even I like eating chips. Okay, so but many people many people after peeling the potato, they take the potato peels away, they throw them away. But potato peels has a lot of benefits. So in this video, I'm going to explain the benefits of potato peels. First of all, potato peels are loaded with potassium minerals. Potassium mineral is very important in chemical reaction, so helping in metabolic rate in the body. But also potato are loaded with iron mineral. So iron mineral is very important in the making of red blood cells. But also potato are very loaded with, they contain calcium, they contain copper, and they contain zinc. All those minerals are very important in the bones, making your bone and making the bones become very strong. But also potato peels, they contain acids which helping in dissolving of rust. So they are very beneficial in removing of rust at your home. So you just take the potato peel and then you apply that to the rust, to the place where there is rust, and the acid which is present in the potato peel will dissolve the rust, and hence the rust will disappear. But also potato peels are very beneficial in manure. Potato peels are loaded with many minerals. So when you keep them in the soil, when they decompose, they help in making the plant to grow well. But also potato peels are very benefit in treating of the skin condition such as acne. You take the potato peel, you apply to the face or the place where there's pimples or acne. After some time, the pimples will disappear. So that is among the benefits. But also the last benefit is that potato peel is helping in the treating of skin burn. First degree burn, we have, because of first degree burn, second degree burn, and third degree burn. Only for those small or minor burns or first degree burn, you can apply when there's a burn, you apply the peel of the potato at that area, and they help in curing. So when you use a potato, make sure that you don't throw away the potato peels away, because potato peels have a lot of benefits. So after watching this video, you won't throw the potato peels away. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Thank you.